Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. If you want to keep up to date in what's going on in the crypto space, hit that subscribe button. Now let's just jump right into it. I'm sure most of you are aware, but Kroger has banned Visa at its Food Co. stores as well as its 250 Smith's food and drug stores in 7 states. As a fun fact I put here, Kroger operates about 2,800 supermarkets in 35 states. I didn't even know that, so it's good to see it breaking down into numbers so we can see the raw potential that it could have in the crypto space, in the crypto world. Now imagine that. It is also good to note that majority of their stores still are accepting Visa. However, they stated that they continue to explore options to reduce their so-called swipe fees paid to credit card companies. And according to Bloomberg, these so-called fees can add up to about 90 billion US dollars in annual fees. And with this being said, if somehow they're able or they adopt the XPOS device by Pundi X, it would be massive. And I'm pretty sure that this is definitely something that can truly happen because as Pundi X is definitely making a name for themselves, they're deploying more XPOS devices. They're definitely doing things. So they're just bound to come across each other, and I do truly believe this partnership could happen. The XPOS so far is a great product that I believe could truly benefit stores worldwide. Pundi X is helping pave the road to mass adoption, and it is a beautiful thing to watch. And it truly is amazing to see the whole blockchain ecosystem, the whole cryptocurrency, blockchain ecosystem actually evolving and being beneficial to everyday people and companies. Basically just about anyone can benefit from blockchain technology. And I think it's amazing because we're basically seeing like the internet is definitely evolving and we're trying to put power back to the users. But nonetheless, let me know what you guys think of this potential, in my opinion, the idea of a potential partnership with Kroger and Pundi X. I definitely think it's bound to happen, and I'm pretty sure it will. So let me know what you guys think, and that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.